Hello everyone. Welcome back to this grade 9 video lesson on Spreadsheet. This lesson is on advanced formulae and functions in Excel. Today we will focus on learning about the Countif function. In this lesson you will learn about what the Countif function does, syntax of the Countif function, using the Countif function. Then we will have a quick test followed by a recap. So, let's start with a description of the Countif function. The Countif function counts the number of cells that meet specified criteria or conditions. It counts cells with dates, numbers, and text that meet specific criteria, and it returns a number representing cells counted. The Countif function is simple and straightforward. It starts with an equal sign followed by the keyword Countif. Inside the open and closed parentheses, we have two arguments, range and criteria. The range refers to the range of cells to be counted. The criteria refer to the conditions that must be met in order for the cells to be counted. An example of the Countif function is as shown below. The range of cells is D5 to D12, and the criteria is greater than 100. Here, the condition is enclosed in double quotes. But not all conditions are enclosed in double quotes. Let us have a look at the use of double quotes in criteria. Text values such as Tom is enclosed in double quotes. Numbers like 100 is not enclosed in double quotes. But a number with a logical operator such as greater than 40 is enclosed in double quotes. Now students, to use the Countif function, perform the following steps. First, create a worksheet with the following data. The worksheet contains a list of 10 persons and their age group have already been calculated. Now we are going to calculate the number of adults in the list. The result will be displayed in cell E5. So we select cell E5. From the Formula tab, click the More Functions command. Select Statistical, then click the Countif function. A dialog box will appear. The age group is in column C. Therefore, we select the range of cells C2 to C11. The range of cells C2 to C11 will automatically appear in the range text box. Next, type adult in the criteria text box and click the OK button. The following result will appear in cell E5. There are 8 adults in the list. The function used is displayed in the formula bar. The range of cells that have been used is C2 to C11. The number of persons who are 18 years old will appear in cell E6. Column B contains age, therefore the range of cells that have been used to calculate the number of persons who are 18 years old is B2 to B11. There are only 2 persons who are 18 years old. The function used is displayed in the formula bar. The range of cells that have been used is B2 to B11. The number of persons who are above 21 years old will appear in cell E7. The range of cells that have been used is B2 to B11. There are only 2 persons who are above 21 years old. The function used is displayed in the formula bar. The range of cells that have been used is B2 to B11. Now, we will watch a demonstration on how to use the Countif function in Excel. Open an existing worksheet. Cell E5 will contain the number of adults in the list. So, we select cell E5. From the Formula tab, click the More Functions command. Select Statistical. Then, click Countif Function. A dialog box will appear. The age group is in column C. Therefore, we select the range of cells C2 to C11. As you can observe, the range of cells C2 to C11 will automatically appear in the range text box. Then, type adult in the criteria text box and click the OK button. The result is 8, that is, there are 8 adults. The function used is displayed in the formula bar. Notice the range of cells that have been used to calculate the number of adults is C2 to C11. The condition contains text values. Therefore, it is enclosed in double quotes. Cell E6 will contain the number of persons who are 18 years old. We will repeat the same steps as before to use the Countif function. So we select cell E6. From the Formula tab, click the More Functions command, select Statistical, then click Countif Function. A dialog box will appear. Column B contains age of the 10 persons. Therefore, we select the range of cells B2 to B11. Then, type 18 in the criteria text box and click the OK button. The result is 2. That is, there are only 2 persons who are 18 years old. The condition contains a number. Therefore, it is not enclosed in double quotes. Now, select cell E7 to calculate the number of persons who are above 21 years old. From the Formula tab, click the More Functions command. Select Statistical, then click Countif Function. A dialog box will appear. Select the range of cells B2 to B11. Then type greater than 21 in the criteria text box. And click the OK button. The condition contains a number with an operator. Therefore, it is enclosed in double quotes. there are only 2 persons who are above 21 years old. Now, let us do a quick test to evaluate what you have learned today. Read the following questions carefully. You will have a few seconds to give your answer. Number 1. The Countif function counts the number of cells that meet specified criteria. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Number 2. The Countif function has 2 arguments. What are they? A, B, or C? The answer is B. Range and criteria are the 2 arguments in a Countif function. Number 3. The Countif function can be accessed from the Insert tab. Is it true or false? The answer is false, as the Countif function can be accessed from the Formula tab. Next question. The correct syntax for the Countif function in Excel is A, B, or C? The answer is B. We have seen that a Countif function always starts with an equal sign followed by the keyword Countif. The last question. Study the screenshot below. Which of the following options represent a function that is entered in cell E4 to count number of yes answer? Is it A, B, or C? The correct answer is C. Well, students, this is the end of our quick test. I am sure that you found all the correct answers. It is now time for a recap of today's lesson. The Countif function counts the number of cells that meet specified criteria. It counts cells with dates, numbers, and text that meet specific criteria and returns a number representing cells counted. The Countif function syntax contains the 2 arguments range and criteria, where range represents the range of cells to be counted, and criteria are the conditions that must be met in order for the cells to be counted. Numbers are not enclosed in double quotes. Text values and a number with a logical operator are enclosed in double quotes. Dear students, we have reached the end of today's video. We hope you have liked it. Thank you for being with us. See you next time. Goodbye.